Welcome to our third video on standard form and our very last junior number video. Remember, standard form or scientific notation is a compact way of writing numbers and is very useful for large numbers or small numbers. Right, in the last two videos we looked at how to change large numbers into standard form and vice versa, and small numbers into standard form and vice versa. Now we're going to look at how we can do calculations in standard form. So here's our first example. Example 1, we're going to take 2.3 times 10 to the power of 2 and multiply it by 3 times 10 to the power of 12. Now, you've got an option of changing them back into ordinary numbers using the techniques we showed you in the last couple of videos, and then you could just do your multiplication from there. But I'm going to show you how to use your calculator, which is going to make this a relatively straightforward process. The two types of calculators we're going to look at in this video are the Casio Graphics and the Casio Scientific. Let's start with this is the button that we're going to learn to use, but we'll show you as we go. Let's start with the Casio Scientific. Right, this is what it will look like on your screen once you've typed it in and got an answer, and let's show you how to do it. So you're going to type in 2.3. Then you're going to push your standard form button, which is this button down the bottom, times 10 to the power of x. Then you just need to type in the power of 2. Now, I think at this stage your little cursor, the straight line on the screen, will be up the top with the power. So you need to use the right cursor button to get back down to your standard line of calculations. Then we need to type in times or multiply. Then we type in 3. Push our standard form button once more, and then type in 12 to get a power of 12. After you've done all that, when you push equals, you should get the answer of 6.9 times 10 to the power of 14, which is equivalent to the number 690 trillion. Right, if you're using the graphics calculator, the Casio, let's show you what you would do on this. This is what it will look like on your screen, and let's show you what you're going to punch in. So you're going to type in 2.3. Now you're going to push the EXP button, which is your standard form or scientific notation button, and it does the times 10 to the power of something. Now you just need to type in power of 2. Now we need to type times. Now we put 3. Push your EXP, your exponent button once more, which does the times 10 to the power of something. And then you just type in 12 for a power of 12. Now, when you push equals, it will come up as 6.9 with this funny looking E plus 14. That's just the way the calculator writes 6.9 times 10 to the power of 14. And that's equal to 690 trillion. All right, so make sure you learn how to use your scientific notation or standard form button on the calculator for whatever calculator you've got. If you don't have one of these calculators, make sure you check in with your teacher and find out which is your scientific notation or standard form button. Right, let's look at this example. A light year is the distance light travels in 1 year. It is 9.460528 times 10 to the power of 15 meters. The closest star to our solar system is a star called Alpha Centauri A, and it's approximately 4.22 light years from our Earth. So how far away is Alpha Centauri A from our Earth? Well, we're just going to take 1 light year and multiply it by the distance of 4.22 light years away. And if we use the technique I've shown you in this video, you will get the answer of 3.992342986 times 10 to the power of 15. And that can be written as an ordinary number. I think it is 3,992,342,986,000,000 meters away. Right, thanks very much for watching.